Creating an idea and giving it life is what we do here at Fence Armor, providing solutions for real-world problems. And we're very excited about bringing you our latest creations, the Fence Armor Post Cap and Finial. Designing and testing and manufacturing are what we're known for. Whether it's the steel we use from Pittsburgh to make our screws, whether it's the zinc that we use for our finials that come from Tennessee, whether it's the galvanized steel that comes from Hamilton from US Steel, whether it's the design and engineering, we use our own teams and we build the molds locally. We take pride, and it's in our core as people, our core as a family, and our core as a company, that we want to bring our business locally. Not having to make things offshore also makes us that much more nimble. So we're truly a North American product, and we look forward to bringing it to you.